today, we are excited to share another inspiring story from one of our students in English Enhancement course. This is the journey of someone who, despite the many challenges of working abroad, she chose to continue learning and upgrading her skills with us. As we go deeper, let's listen to her story, her experiences, challenges, and triumphs as she takes us through her ICSA journey.
Hi, my name is Maria Cristina Pastrana. I'm having a course for English enhancement in ICSA here in Kuwait. I'd like to inform you, I'd like to give you an idea, which is this English enhancement is giving me provide to become a strong woman or a strong parents, to become bold to my child, to give an idea that English enhancement is important to our any everyday or every life dealing for ourselves. I choose English enhancement because I want to move more improvement to achieve my goal, not only for a basic knowledge for English, but I want more than I want to be. Actually, it's very hard, but I'm trying to focus or adjust my time when I was working in the night and studying in here in the earlier morning in ICSA in Kuwait. Therefore, I can manage myself. Sometimes it's very hard to wake up in the early morning, provide yourself to focus your dream, but everything will be fine. Actually, my challenging in myself is I'm not speak fluent English. Mostly for when I'm in the front of my client, sometimes I feel dealing unconsciousness how to express or making a sentence necessary, how to get used to it for all the day when I'm on the floor of our work. So as for now, I can deal myself, or I can prove myself that I can do what I do, or I can prove myself to improve more. And I know that it will come. Actually, she gave me a good advice, and she gave me a really give me a model. She gave me a model to be a good person, how to achieve and to improve my English enhancement that can be connect for my life, for my work, for my getting commitment for any person in any nationalities that help me and improve and showing how to communicate proper in English enhancement and using by English role. My favorite lesson or I'm learning, no matter how time it was or a day, just focus, don't stop. Believe yourself and you achieve your goal. I develop myself and improving myself by dealing of my client for every day, and I feel represent for some representing for some communication for some what they call managing for some topics for like kind of a lens we doing for work or speak for the client, how you explain everything. So I used to it this one English enhancement, how to provide to make a sentence to clearly what they need. So not only make it a basic, but the improving how you stop and do improve more and more. So I don't need to like stop all the time, but I need how to handle how I speak fluent then in English. See, for the self improvement, it's like not a journey or not a destination. As look at my life. It's a begin to understand how far you've come, where I stand today, and where I hope to go The reflection is not only necessary for growth, it is the foundation of becoming the best version of myself. No matter the time, I'm still possible to achieve your dream. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for ICSA in Kuwait that give me achieve my goal. Thank
Her
you.
journey is a true reminder that no matter where we are or how busy life gets, learning never stops. To all our fellow OFWs and aspiring students, if you've been dreaming of upgrading your skills and opening doors to better job opportunities, ICSA is here to guide you toward that goal. Once again, thank you for watching, and we look forward to sharing more success stories like this in the future.